Hi, I am going to make a unique die stool with popsicle sticks. First, we will glue one popsicle stick to another popsicle stick. Then, we will glue another popsicle stick to another stick. Then, we will make 4 sticks like this. Next, we will draw lines from a scale on one popsicle stick. Then, we will draw lines from a scale on the second popsicle stick. Then, we will draw lines from a scale on the third and fourth sticks in the same way and cut it as shown. Now, after cutting these popsicle sticks and keeping them separate, we will take the first 5 popsicle sticks, then apply glue to all these popsicle sticks. Then glue these popsicle sticks together. This has become the top part of our die stool has done. First, take 4 cut popsicle sticks, then stick these popsicle sticks with glue to form a box shape. Then set it aside. Then we'll take all the remaining popsicle sticks and glue them together. Then we'll glue the smaller popsicle sticks to the top and bottom of the larger popsicle sticks. Then use those popsicle sticks to make support around the die stool. Then we will take these box-shaped popsicle sticks and glue them to the popsicle stick support. Then we will put 2 small popsicle sticks in the middle of the stool support. Then we will glue the top of the stool to those popsicle sticks as when it has become a die stool made of popsicle sticks that we can use as showpiece or anything else. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.